Hey guys, this is Rutuja and welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be on this very muted gold and blue halo eyes, which is very easily achievable. So before getting to the video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. So let's get to the video. So here I am done with my base makeup and brows. Applying concealer on my eyelid as an eye base and blending it. And here I am using Eyebrow concealer. Setting it with a loose powder. I am taking this blue color from SFR eyeshadow palette and applying it on my entire eyelid.
We're back from the dead.
Hell yeah.
We're back from the dead.
Are you ready?
Let's go.
Back from the dead.
It's time to cut the crease.
We're back from the dead.
Hell yeah.
We're back from the dead.
Next, applying this golden shade from Huda Beauty Rose Gold Eyeshadow Palette.
Back from the dead.
And also applying this matte translucent gold shimmer. Taking this pink shade from same palette and blending with the blue color so that there will be no harsh line. I am applying concealer from NYB to conceal my dark circles and spots of my face and blending it. Next, I am going to contour my face using a Miss Claire contour palette. Blending it with a sponge. Also contouring my nose to look small and straight. Next, I am doing baking here. I will be keeping it for 3 to 4 minutes. That's enough. Next, applying blush from Blue Heaven in the shade Pink. And removing the excess powder with the help of brush. On my lips, I am using something that will go well with my eye makeup. So I am using Revlon lipstick in the shade Love That Pink. With the tip of my finger, I am highlighting my inner corners and brow bone. Next, applying highlighter on the highest point of my face. And blending it with the fan brush. Next, to soften my lower lash line, using the same blue color, and I am just going to smoke it out throughout my lower lash line. Next, using NYB liquid eyeliner and drawing a thin wing liner. Then I am applying mascara, and this is from CoverGirl. In my waterline, I am using the ADS Kajal. And here is the complete look. Let me know if you guys enjoy this look, and if you did, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you are new here. So see you soon. Bye bye. Take care.